Bababa kami dito sa escalator ng Worldwide Central MTL. Ayan. So, guys, this is Central. Many people.
120.
This way to our way. Guys, dyan yung sakayan na puntang Monster Building. So kami dito, kung galing ka dito ng Central. So kami guys sa puntang Mongkok, yung mga nagsha-shopping, gustong mamili ng pasalubong, this way guys. The Red Line MTR going to Mongkok. So kung gusto niyo rin pumunta ng Chimchachoy, this way also. The other side. Those side is for Mongkok and Shamshoy po. The famous here in Hong Kong for bargaining. The things that you want to buy. Listen to the music. So yan guys, ha? So ayan guys, so hindi kayo maliligaw dito sa Hong Kong kasi every side in the corner have direction and arrow where to go. Ayan. So guys, diretso lang tayo. Ayan, pababa na tayo. So yung train na sakyan natin ay going to Chunwan. Ayan guys. Chunwan line. So ayan. Baba na tayo. Chunwan. We walk na. So guys, huwag kayong malito dahil pareho lang po yan silang train papunta sa Chunwan. So ito yung unang aalis, kaya dito tayo sasakay. So doon, hanap tayo ng maupuan. So yun, may bakante pa. Ayan. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you again tomorrow or later. Bye!